So welcome to INTERGEO TV, the official broadcast channel and podcast, where we address current and future-oriented topics and reflect INTERGEO's motto, Inspiration for a Smarter World. Explore with INTERGEO TV and the expert interviews the future of geoinformation, geodesy and land management. So welcome to this INTERGEO TV expert interview. I'm Denise Wenzel, your host, and today we are diving into the innovative project Cop4All, developed by Geobase NRW to integrate satellite data into state surveying and land management processes in North Rhine Westphalia, Germany. So this project leverages the latest in remote sensing and artificial intelligence to provide up-to-date land cover information, which is critical for various administrative and environmental applications. Joining us is Jens Riecken, chairperson of the Geobase NRW, the administration responsible for state surveying in North Rhine Westphalia. On national level, he is deputy chairperson of the steering committee Geobase. And he has been Vice-President of DVW, the German Association for Geodesy, Geoinformation and Land Management, and organizer of INTERGEO for several years. We are happy to have Jens Riecken here to share insights on Cop4All and its impact. So welcome to INTERGEO TV, Jens Riecken.
Yeah, thanks a lot. I'm proud to be here.
Jens, let's dive into this interview. So what significance does Copernicus have for Germany?
Yeah, that was, in my opinion, the starting point to use satellite data in state survey or also in environmental administrations. And I'm happy that Copernicus started for us.
So what does open data have to do with this and remote sensing at all?
Yeah, that's more or less a backbone for new business models. And let's say it is minimizing business risks. You can start with a project and you don't need in the beginning to put a lot of money in it, and you can see how much progress you can make with a project.
So just explain to us, what significant questions can Copernicus answer to us as a society so just give us some more information about the data that it's providing.
Yeah, we have in North Rhine Westphalia 2 big projects using satellite data, and it's a question of monitoring. We monitor ground movements and we monitor land cover.
Okay. And land cover and climate change, so they are closely linked. So what does Cop4All do as a nationwide service?
Cop4All has a new dimension with respect to 3 topics. First of all, it brings together the partners. We bring together the federal level, the state level, and all the German states. We all together want to have success in this project. The second is a technical approach. We use artificial intelligence. And the third thing is also a technical approach. We want to solve this problem in a cloud. So very modern, very technical, and a very interesting organizational structure. We can accurately monitor the land use, and this is has very big influence for political decisions. Everything what's going on with the nature you can cover by land cover. You can see what is really going on. So the view from the satellite to the ground you can use for monitoring purposes.
So actually, there's more and more artificial intelligence technologies integrated in Earth observation. So what does AI have to do with Earth observation in general, especially here at the project Cop4All?
Yeah, always when you have a big amount of data, nowadays you use artificial intelligence and to analyze the data and to this processes. These are learning processes, and at the end you get better and better results. So you bring two things together, data and artificial intelligence, to solve a problem.
So we have AI on the one hand, but on the other hand, we have radar technology, radar data, especially for remote sensing. And in North Rhine Westphalia, you also have the mining activity you have to monitor. Just tell us about the importance of radar data and what is the why is the monitoring of the mining region so important?
Yeah, radar data you can use for, let's say, very easy, for distance measurements. And when you have a lot of data, then you can see ground movements very accurate. We speak about in 1-2 millimeter accuracy. And when you have mining, you have always ground movements. In North Rhine Westphalia, we have a lot of open mining, and we start now to shut down the mining regions. And therefore, we install a monitoring process for the next decades. We speak about decades. Therefore, we use this data, and we can provide data about ground movements. We call it ground movement catastrophe, which is very important for our political decisions.
Perfect. So thank you very much, Jens Riecken, for giving us insights on Cop4All and its impact. So learn more about these topics and get more insights and information at INTERGEO 2024 from the 24th to 26th of September at the exhibition grounds in Stuttgart, Germany. Or you can join the INTERGEO community all year long on intergeo.de or LinkedIn or Instagram or Facebook. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you again, and I'd like to see you in person at INTERGEO.